These felt coffee sleeves are easy to make with or without a Cricut. They're functional and make great gifts too. Let me show you how to make a no-sew felt coffee sleeve. This simple no-sew coffee sleeve can be customized for any gift recipient on your list. Here's what you need. Start with a simple template. You can find a link in the description to the one I used here, or use a coffee sleeve from your last Starbucks cup. You can also cut felt with your Cricut using a rotary blade. Simply use this template in Design Space and then cut it out of your machine. But since it's such a simple cut, it's really easy to do with the scissors too. Trace the template onto the felt and then cut it out. To embellish these sleeves, I'm using my Cricut to cut some designs from iron-on vinyl. To put the sleeves together, just secure the back with hot glue, and that's it. A simple no-sew coffee sleeve to add to a gift or keep for yourself. Just wrap this around a travel cup and then fill that cup with treats and a gift card. If you like this video, consider subscribing to Creative Ramblings for more simple crafts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.